If you are looking for a lucrative way to take advantage of the equity that you built up over the years on your rental property owned within your self-directed IRA, solo 401k, or IRA LLC, then consider cash out refinancing. The built-up untapped equity holds enormous potential for funds for future opportunities within your plan. But how do you perform a cash out refinance? And how can you leverage it to your advantage? In this video, we will talk about what cash out refinancing is and how it can benefit your self-directed IRA or solo 401k. A refinance is done by replacing the current loan on the rental property with a new loan that has a value that the bank is comfortable making, and you can get cash back after receiving the loan. One reason to do a cash out refinance would be to get better terms on the non-recourse loan than the current terms of the loan. The more equity that you have, the better position you will be in to qualify and reap the benefits of the new loan. What's more is that you can diversify your portfolio by investing in more rental property from the liquidity that you receive from the cash out refi and take advantage of the lower prices in today's amazing market. Many investors also use liquid funds from one property to fix another property held within their self-directed retirement plan. Oftentimes, investors need liquid funds to either make repairs that are needed for the other properties or to invest in a fix and flip. There are plenty of good reasons why investors may want to do cash out refinance for their properties within their self-directed IRA, solo 401k, or IRA LLC. To learn more, contact our team at First Western Federal Savings Bank today, and we're excited to talk with you about this opportunity.